the radio day? Ganesh.
13th February.
Very good.
Sai.
Stand and say.
We listen songs.
Very good.
We listen stories.
Very good.
Music.
We listen
Music.
music.
Very good. Sit.
Smiling.
This is radio. Have you seen? Say one sentence about radio. You can take radio to any place. Very good.
Arjun.
Arju, say one point about radio. This is radio.
Say loudly.
This is radio.
Say loudly.
Huh? Enjoy. You enjoy listening radio. Very good. Next, Chittama. Huh? Many programs will come. For example, Ramayana, Mahabharata, ఇంకా అన్నీ వస్తాయా? నాకు తెలీదు, నీకే అవన్నీ తెలుసు. స్టోరీస్ కూడా వస్తాయి. వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్
Chanukya.
చాణిక్య, స్టాండ్ అండ్ సే. Come again. I didn't get you.
All the people.
All the people, in olden days, most of the people used to listen radio. Very good. Are they using nowadays? Nowadays, no. Olden days they used it. Next, Mona.
Now few people are listening.
Very good. Next, Ashmi Gadu. రేడియో గురించి ఒక మాట చెప్పమ్మా. రేడియో ఎప్పుడుంది చూపించు. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక రేడియో పెట్టా, ఏది చూపించు.
Show the radio.
Very good. Do you like radio? Very good. All of you clap to yourselves.